Hi guys and welcome. Now the GoPro Hero cameras have a number of different presets like cinematic, activity, full frame, etc. But I don't know about you, but I found that even these don't quite fit my needs and I always want to tweak them. Now if we change them often, then we might want a custom preset. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to create your own custom preset on the GoPro Hero camera so that you can select it whenever you need it. Now fortunately it's really easy to set up, so let me show you how. Okay, so here I have a preset, and if we tap on this and scroll, we should see an icon at the top, an up-down button. If we tap on that, it changes to a plus icon. We can then choose between video or looping. So if we choose video for now, then we can change all the parameters of this new preset, like the modes, the resolution and the lens, etc. And we can also change any of the Pro Tune settings. Also, we can quickly change the quick access shortcuts as well. So if on your preset, for example, you want to switch the lens or change the exposure, then you can customize these shortcuts just for your own particular preset. Now, once we're happy with the presets, then click on the tick and choose a name for the new preset. Now, the GoPro Hero 11 only allows choosing a name from a certain existing predefined set, whereas the GoPro Hero 12 now allows choosing of a custom name for your own preset. Click the tick again, and now on the main screen we have our new preset. Now if we want to change it at any time, we just click and hold on the button and we go back to changing the settings just like any other preset. And our preset now appears in the list of presets so that we can jump between it at any time, including the normal built-in ones. Now we can of course make a custom preset for other modes like the photo and a time-lapse mode in exactly the same way as we've done for the video. So just choose the mode first, click a preset and follow the similar steps as we did before. Now if we want to delete our custom presets, then just go back to the list of presets, click the arrow icon and then click the red cross that's next to yours. The preset will also be removed if you do a factory reset of the camera, so just be aware of that. Okay, so there we go. That's how easy it is to create your very own personalized GoPro preset with all your favorite settings. So it's certainly a great time saver, so you can just spend more time getting the shots rather than faffing around changing the settings. So just get out there and start shooting. If you find this video useful, hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel of course. Now if you have any more questions on using a GoPro, let me know in the comments and I'm going to try and help you out. Alright, until next time, take care and see you soon.